Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today let's get into how I made these amazing oatmeal cream pie cookies. One of the best things I think I've made all year for sure, and just in time for fall season. So you do want to go ahead and pack in about 3/4 cup of brown sugar and around 3/4 cups of white sugar, and then about 2 cups of butter. And then you want to go ahead and cream all of those things together. And then once you kind of have that cream going, it's going to be like a sandy like texture, and you want to make sure that all that's creamed together. So once you have all that done, make sure you scrape your bowl, side of your bowls, and get all that mixture in there. And then you do want to go ahead and add in 2 eggs. So after you add in the eggs, you do want to be careful. I did use 2 whole eggs. And then I did add molasses to kind of give the oatmeal cookies that color and that flavor that they need. So once again, go ahead and mix it all together. See, right here is where I realized I want to go ahead and mix it by hand. And to be honest with you, I did get a little bit nervous because I was like, oh, this is looking a little soupy. So if you get to that point, it's okay. Just like I said, go ahead and mix it by hand just to be on the safe side. And then it is still going to look a little soupy, but that's because you're adding in so many other things. So we're going to go ahead and after we mix it all together, we're going to add in the flour and the rolled oats that we want to use. And then once we have all that mixed in together, and then we're going to go ahead and want to roll them out to about 1 inch, I would say, and keep them kind of apart. Now, here's my little hack for this video. You want to go ahead and bake 3 cookies by themselves before you go ahead and bake an additional like 6 or 12. So that way it'll kind of get the oven ready for you. So there you go. Look at that. Look at those cookies. Now for the fun part. I am going to make a separate video of how I made the homemade marshmallow fluff just because it was so easy and simple. So you do want to go ahead and add the marshmallow fluff right on one of the cookies, and then you want to take the top cookie and smush it together, and that's how you get your oatmeal cream pie cookies. Now, like I said, these are one of my favorite cookies I've made so far. They've just been so soft and just melt in your mouth good. That marshmallow fluff is amazing. I didn't realize how simple it was, and I didn't realize how many added ingredients they did. Now look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That cookie right there was so good. These didn't last more than 2 days in my house. They were gone so quick, and they're so simple, so easy to make. Definitely recommend bringing these to any fall gathering you have, or just sharing them with a loved one that you might have. These cookies are 10 out of 10. I recommend you make these ASAP, especially in time for fall. So thanks again for watching my video, and make sure that you like, comment, and share, and follow me on all my social medias. It is at the CW Daily, and thanks again for watching. Bye guys.